Do you want to save money this holiday season? Watch as I show you how to modify the LED Christmas star powered by a 2AA battery so it can run on a USB power. I know there are rechargeable batteries out there that I could have used, but I'd rather not take them out all the time and keep recharging them. That's just too much to do. For this modification, I'm just going to keep the battery box and on and off switch and then just add a wire. To prevent the LED lights from burning out, I added 3 100 ohm resistors in parallel to get the 33 ohms I needed. I did this because that's the lowest resistor I had, but if you have a 30 ohm resistor, you'd only need one. The final step for me was connecting the extended wire from the battery box to the USB wire. I just matched the red wire to red, which is positive, and the black wire to black, which is negative. You could connect the LED star to a power bank. Just remember to turn on the low current mode since the LEDs don't draw that much power. If your power bank does not have that feature, the lights will go off after a minute or so. But I'm not going to use a power bank. Instead, I'll be using a USB wall adapter. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just drop a comment below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.